Hey everyone, got a Hognose update for you today. As you can see, our kids are out of the fridge and going to be fed up and then paired up for some breeding this season. This is one of our big female albino tigers, looking very lovely today. And of course I can't show you a Hognose update without showing off the favorite child. There he is, ready for the ladies. Also, I drove out to Vision earlier this week and picked up some spacers and tubs. We've converted our CB70 rack to a V18 rack. At the bottom I still have some of the larger tubs, but this size here allows us to keep more of our Hognoses and our grow out animals in some more appropriately sized tubs. Gives us more room besides just the male rack that I was just showing you. These tubs here are the V18s. These ones are I think they're the 35 lows. We're going to be putting some of our larger females in those as they grow up. And then the really nice size that they have now are the V15s. And these are great for juvenile females, even young males. Some of the larger males obviously will be too big for these and they'll be in the V18s, but these are just awesome for some of the kids that will be growing up holdbacks and things like that. Right now I've got some of the smaller breeder size males in these tubs. This is a purple line het snow. Next to him I've got the tiger already out in front, as you could see. Little attitude after coming out of the fridge. Very, very nice looking tiger. Hopefully he makes some more for us this year. And the last one I'll show you guys is little Arctic Conda here. Hopefully we'll be making some more Arctics this year, maybe Super Arctics, maybe Super Conda, Super Arctics. Fingers crossed. As always guys, you can reach us on Facebook Messenger, you can comment here, email sales.socalherps@gmail.com. Thanks for watching guys.